company making this next gadget claims that it is the world's most adaptable wallet, which can turn a simple, functional wallet into a self-defense tool. The wallet is made with materials used in rockets and spaceships, which are then mixed with premium quality leather and durable silicone bands to make it sturdy, slash-proof and water-resistant. Its sleek design keeps your essentials organized, such as money and business cards, while the built-in hex wrench, bottle opener, nail prier, box cutter, and more ensure you can defend yourself in any situation. Whether you're trying to fix a loose screw or planning to use it as a self-defense tool, this wallet tackles everyday challenges with ease, and it costs $80. Carrying traditional weapons for personal safety is a thing of the past with this self-defense umbrella. The umbrella, assembled in the United States, features a beautiful German-made wooden handle, making its structure robust and hefty. Its fiberglass shaft and ribs make it unbelievably strong and sturdy. It protects you not only from the weather, but also from possible assailants, especially in emergencies. It is also the perfect size, whether you are a man or a beautiful lady, making it effortless to carry anywhere. And it opens swiftly with just a push of a button. The umbrella can cost upwards of $120. You may have heard the proverb, "A pen is mightier than the sword." Well, this tactical survival pen proves that. Designed for emergency and everyday carry situations, this pen is intricately manufactured using CNC machined aluminum, making it durable for those difficult scenarios. You can use this pen not only for writing, but also to whistle for help or even start a fire. Its robust structure can be used for self-defense, and the built-in spring tension clip ensures that the pen remains secured to your gear or shirt pocket. The pen weighs just 1.7 pounds and is available in 4 different colours. It costs around $50. If you are looking for everyday wear with an additional layer of security, then having this hoodie can solve your problem. The company making this clothing says that it is the world's first stab-resistant hoodie, which can save you from potential knife attacks. Created in collaboration with Shadowworks, its fabric is the star of the show, with its lightweight, breathable, antimicrobial and protective features. This hoodie, which comes in a unisex design with double-layered protection on the torso for your vital organs, is an intriguing option for those seeking covert protection without breaking the bank. This self-defense gadget-cum-clothing costs around $800. Walking alone, especially at night, can feel unsafe for most people. That is why having a non-violent self-defense option disguised as a stylish accessory can prove helpful. Featuring a capsule filled with a foul-smelling substance, this discreet bracelet can release a strong, unpleasant odour designed to repel an aggressor and make them disengage. The foul odour can travel over 100 metres, potentially attracting attention from nearby people who can provide immediate assistance. The bracelet has an easy-to-use activation mechanism that can be done swiftly during moments of distress and is legal to carry in most places. You can get this bracelet for $800. An ordinary hairbrush, disguised as a self-defense tool, can be a great way to prepare yourself for an unsuspecting surprise attack. Crafted using highly durable ABS plastic, combined with nylon and fiberglass composites, this brush knife can withstand some serious pressure. Its concealed sharp dagger, measuring close to 4 1/4 inches, is excellent for any close-quarter combat scenario. Plus, the lightweight and compact shape makes it easy to carry, and you can safely store it in your pocket or purse. The knife is currently priced at $10. In the US, personal protection tops the list of reasons gun owners give for owning a firearm. But carrying a firearm is not legally allowed everywhere, which is why having a stun gun can be a lifesaver. This 3-in-1 mini stun gun is a potentially life-saving tool, delivering a strong 1.154 microcoulombs charge, which is enough to cause intolerable pain to any offender, giving you precious seconds to escape a dangerous situation. A built-in alarm can emit noise up to 115 decibels, along with an integrated LED flashlight that can provide illumination up to 70 lumens, which can attract the attention of nearby bystanders. It also has a remarkably compact, lightweight, and built-in rechargeable battery. The gadget costs $35. Do not let the playful name fool you, as this seemingly ordinary keychain accessory quietly packs a hidden punch, just like Bruce Lee. Featuring a braided paracord that wraps around a 1-inch steel ball, the keychain's length can extend it up to 12 feet, especially in emergency scenarios. The steel ball has enough heft and weight to crush human bones in a matter of seconds. Apart from using this Paracord whip as a self-defense tool, you can also use it as a martial arts weapon, or simply use this to create makeshift shelters in harsh conditions. This set is priced at around $10. If you're an outdoor survivalist or an enthusiast, having a good belt is critical because it can easily transform into a useful tool in a pinch. This heavy-duty belt, with a 48-inch length, is long enough to secure your bottoms and help you tackle unexpected situations. It also comes equipped with fishing gear, such as hooks, snare wire and weights, firecraft essentials such as matches or fire starters, and a signaling mirror, allowing you to attract attention in emergencies. Its design also makes it comfortable to wear every day. The belt costs around $40. A coin knife might sound like a secret weapon carried by resourceful spies, but the reality is more down to earth. Made using real coins that are currently out of circulation, it features a small folding knife sandwiched and hidden between two larger-sized coins. What looks like a seemingly innocuous disc from the outside can easily transform into a hidden blade that can not only help you in self-defense, but also prove to be a vital tool when going fishing or camping. The knife currently costs $16. Promising a world of convenience with its phone case that also doubles up as an everyday carry knife, this next gadget is for those who value minimalism. Featuring an innovative design that cleverly integrates a fixed blade knife into the corner of a smartphone case, it eliminates the need to carry a separate knife. You can potentially free up pocket space and simplify your daily routine with this product. Specifically targeted at iPhone users, this self-defense tool costs $85. A great gift for writing enthusiasts, this typical ink pen can double up as an extra self-defense measure. Potentially appealing to those who want a blade readily available without drawing attention, this penknife features a 2.5-inch stainless steel blade, perfectly concealed inside a durable aluminum pen casing. The pen usually contains black ink and comes at a price of $7. Carrying a traditional firearm is no longer traditional with this folding single-shot .22 caliber pistol. This folding gun is just the size of your credit card. It features a discreet shape and a sleek, easy-to-carry design. When unfolded, the gun offers a full-sized handle and is completely ambidextrous, meaning that it can be used by either left-handed or right-handed people. The gun handle also provides additional storage for an extra 3 rounds. Equipped with a safety mechanism, the gun will not fire when folded. It comes at a price of $299.